In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TurboTax account information. If you need to update your login details or personal profile inside TurboTax, this process is pretty straightforward once you know where everything is located. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go to edit both your sign-in settings and your profile details, so you can keep your account accurate and up to date. To begin, sign into your TurboTax account and look toward the TESOL area of the page for the Intuit account option. Go ahead and click on Intuit account. This will take you into the account management area where your security settings and personal information are stored. Once you're in the account section, click on Sign In and Security. This is the area where you can manage the information tied to your login. It's especially useful if you want to update how you access your account or review your security settings. From there, click on User ID to edit it. If your current user ID is outdated or you simply want something easier to remember, this is where you can make that change. Be sure to enter the updated information carefully so you can continue signing in without any issues later. Next, click on Password to edit it. If you're updating your password, choose one that's secure and easy for you to store safely. In general, a strong password helps protect your tax and personal information, so it's a good idea to use something unique for this account. After that, move to the Profile section by clicking on Profile. This is where your personal account details are organized. Inside this area, you'll be able to review and update several pieces of information connected to your account. Click on Name to edit your name. This is useful if you need to correct a spelling issue or update your account information so it matches your official records. Then click on Date of Birth to edit it. Make sure this information is accurate, since personal details like this can be important for identity verification and account matching. Next, click on Occupation to edit that field. If your job information has changed, this is where you can update it. Finally, click on Address to edit your address information. If you've moved recently or need to correct your mailing details, this is the place to do it. As you make each update, take a moment to review your entries for accuracy before saving. Keeping your TurboTax account information current can help prevent login issues and make sure your profile reflects the right details. And that's how to change TurboTax account information.